In this video, I'll show you how to create discounts in your Shopify store. After you log in and you're taken to the admin, we'll come into the sidebar here. We'll click on discounts. And then to create a new one, we'll click create discount. By default, there's a few options available and we'll go through a few of them here. Let's start with free shipping. Be then taken into this page to create a new discount. If you wanted to give priority shipping to select customers, you could create a discount code and maybe just call it priority. You can also create a random code, and then you could distribute this via email or however for that. Most times you'll just want an automatic discount. Maybe somewhere in your store you say, hey, spend $50, you'll get free shipping. So just call it spend 50 free shipping. You can select the countries we want this to apply to. Let's just choose United States. Purchase type, we want this only to apply to one purchase, unless you want them to get free shipping. They subscribe to something and get it free every time. Eligibility, we'll keep all customers selected. Minimum purchase requirements, this is where we will put $50. And then whether or not we want it to combine with product discounts, like if you have a site-wide sale for 20% off, or for a particular set of items or some discounts, we'll probably still want this free shipping to apply. If you didn't, you leave this unchecked, but for free shipping, you typically want it to combine. Here you can select the dates it's active, starts with today. You can set an end date if you want. We'll just keep this on, and then we'll do save. So now anytime people have $50 in their cart, they'll automatically be eligible for this free shipping. Let's check out another discount type. We'll do amount off order. So here, just like before, we can give a code that they type in during checkout to get it off, or an automatic discount. For this, we'll just say spend 100, get 10 off. You can choose a percentage or a fixed amount, whether you want it $10 or 10%, just do 10%. Purchase type, want it to apply to one-time subscriptions or one-time purchases. If you wanted subscriptions to be discounted a certain amount, it's very similar. Eligibility, we'll keep it everybody. Minimum purchase requirements, we'll do $100. But you could also say somewhere on your site, buy 2 of these items, and you can just select 2 items here, and then it would apply automatically. Keep $100. We want this to combine with shipping. We'll see that it combines with one discount, which is the one we just made. Maybe we'll let this combine with other product discounts. Again, active dates, let's say it's only for a week. We can then choose that date. We'll save that, and then now people, when they have $100, automatically have a discount applied for 10% off of their total cart amount. Next is buy X, get Y, and amount off products. They're both super similar. You buy products and get something. This is there's more ways to configure buy X, get Y because you could give them different types of discounts. Do amount off products, similar to before, and do a static code, generate one, or automatic discount. Just say buy shoes, get 10% off. And you can choose what this applies to. So you can do specific collections or specific products. If you had a certain item, you can then choose those few items, or you can choose an entire collection. Like if we had a shoes collection, we just click that, and then now anyone who has shoes in their cart will get 10% off. So we'll do a minimum quantity of items, 1. So any one item from this category will apply this 10% off discount. And we'll let it apply with shipping, but maybe not the site-wide sale and other product discounts. So we'll keep this off. We'll let that save. And then we'll come into discounts and we'll quickly take a look at buy X, get Y. Do an automatic discount. We'll say buy headphones, get 10 off chargers. So here we can say minimum quantity of items or purchase amount. We'll do if they have any one item from a collection. So let's say we had a headphones collection. We'll just select that. And then what do they get? They get one item from the collection of chargers, if we had it in our store, and then 10% off. So buy X, get Y, you can discount different products than the one that is currently in their cart. Whereas the product discount we just worked on is only discounting that current item. Similar to before, all customers will keep them all eligible, and we'll let this combine with shipping discounts and maybe set this for a week. So we'll save that. And that's how you set up discounts in your Shopify store. Just in the admin, on the sidebar, you go to discounts, create discount, and then you can select whatever you want. If you like this, like and subscribe. It really helps me out. If you have any questions or comments or something, just comment, and thanks for watching.